Welcome back to my channel, dolls. It's Deandra Renee, and today, y'all, I'm here to tell y'all about the best brow product. OMG, you guys, I was not even supposed to film today. I literally was just having kind of a chill day, going to the gym, running some errands, and just chilling out the whole day. But you guys, I had to film this video, so I am here to tell you all about my favorite, the best brow product that is so cheap right now, you guys. So I did my brows at like 7 o'clock this morning, okay? Y'all, it's been 8 hours plus. I did an hour, okay, like 50 minutes, but you know, 50 minutes cardio. I mean, dripping sweat, like hot, running on the treadmill, on a Stairmaster. Like, I was sweating. All of me was sweating. My whole face was sweating. You guys, I did not use any setting spray. None. All I have on my face is product, and that's it. No setting spray. I'm so impressed. Like, this is the truth. This is the mother freaking truth. And it's cheap, y'all. It's under $5, okay? Gotta check and see how much the concealer is, because I think the concealer is like $6. But let me stop holding this from y'all. Y'all, this is the e.l.f. Lock On Liner and Brow Cream in the color Espresso, okay? Y'all see this? $4. $4. And my brows have not moved. They have not went anywhere. They have stayed more loyal than most of the men that have come in my life, okay? Most of the female friends doesn't come in my life. These brows are loyal, okay? That's what we need. We as women, we need loyal edges and we need loyal brows. And I can help y'all get the loyal brows. I don't know about the edges, you know. Mine be sometimes disloyal theyself, you know. But these brows though, loyal. They ain't going nowhere, girl. Nowhere. Now the concealer that I use is the NYX Gotcha Covered Concealer. This is waterproof in the color Golden, okay? So you guys, like, these combined are a bomb. Like, no setting spray needed. Over 8 hours of wear, and like, y'all see this? It look like I just did my brows. Like, can you believe I actually went to work out, sweat dripping, and my brows have not moved? I'm so impressed, y'all. Like, y'all just don't understand. I need friends like my brows. I need people that's gonna be there no matter what, you know, no matter what. So y'all get these products so y'all can have fleeky brows for under $10. So if you guys are interested in seeing how I do my brows, I will link that video up here and down below in the description box. If y'all are interested in my hair, I kind of have it pulled up, you know, with my little scarf on because it was my workout day. But it's really cute down, you guys. So if you are interested in this hair, then I will link that video down below as well. And up top, it is a crochet video, you guys, if you're interested. So I hope you guys, like, trust me when I say this is the go-to, and it's cheap, under $10 total for everything. So go out and get this product if you're looking for something cheap. If you don't want to buy the Anastasia, okay, because Anastasia costs a little bit more, okay, you can get a great product that is cheap. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, girl. Make sure you follow me on Instagram, girl. We gotta connect, we gotta be friends, we gotta stay in each other's life, okay? I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll see you in my next one.